Thank you for watching this video. This is Pran AI from SASAL Incorporated. In the bustling world of pharmaceuticals, there was a company named Eli Lilly and Company. This company, known for its dedication to improving lives through innovative medicines, had a remarkable year in 2023. Let's embark on a journey through their achievements, challenges, and the exciting developments that mark their path. Chapter 1: The Financial Triumph. In the land of finance, Eli Lilly saw its revenue soar to new heights. The company reported a total revenue of $34.1 billion, a significant increase from the previous year's $28.5 billion. This growth was driven by the success of several key products. For instance, Trulicity, a medication for diabetes, brought in $7.1 billion, while Mounjaro, a new star in their portfolio, skyrocketed to $5.2 billion from just $482.5 million the year before. Verzenio, Taltz, and Jardiance also contributed significantly to this financial success. Eli Lilly's revenue was divided between the U.S. and international markets. In the U.S., revenue reached $21.8 billion, up 20% from $18.2 billion in 2022. Outside the U.S., revenue was $12.3 billion, a 19% increase from $10.4 billion. This impressive growth was a testament to the company's strong market presence and the effectiveness of its products. I will introduce Eli Lilly and Company's key products. Trulicity. Despite a slight decrease from $7.4 billion to $7.1 billion, Trulicity remained a cornerstone of Eli Lilly's portfolio. Mounjaro. This product saw a meteoric rise, with revenue jumping from $482.5 million to $5.2 billion. Verzenio. Revenue increased from $2.5 billion to $3.9 billion, reflecting its growing importance. Taltz. Sales rose from $2.5 billion to $2.8 billion. Jardiance. Revenue climbed from $2.1 billion to $2.7 billion. Zyprexa. The sale of rights for this product led to a significant increase in revenue, reaching $1.7 billion. Humalog. Despite a decrease from $2.1 billion to $1.7 billion, Humalog remained a key product. Chapter 2: The Quest for Innovation. Eli Lilly's commitment to research and development was unwavering. They invested heavily in discovering and developing new medicines, with approximately 50 new candidates in clinical development or under regulatory review. Among these, tirzepatide, Mounjaro, stood out, gaining approval for obesity treatment and progressing through various clinical trials for other conditions like cardiovascular outcomes and heart failure. Lebrikizumab Ebglyss received approval for atopic dermatitis in Europe and Japan, while donanemab was submitted for regulatory review for early Alzheimer's disease. I will introduce Eli Lilly and Company's key developments. Tirzepatide, Mounjaro approved for obesity and in phase 3 trials for cardiovascular outcomes, heart failure, and other indications. Lebrikizumab Ebglyss approved for atopic dermatitis in the EU and Japan. Donanemab submitted for regulatory review for early Alzheimer's disease. Pirtobrutinib, Jaypirca approved for chronic lymphocytic leukemia and mantle cell lymphoma. Chapter 3: Strategic Alliances and Acquisitions. To strengthen their pipeline, Eli Lilly engaged in strategic acquisitions and collaborations. They acquired Point Biopharma Global Incorporated for $1.0 $4 billion, adding radiopharmaceutical capabilities to their arsenal. They also welcomed Dice Therapeutics Incorporated and Versanis Bio Incorporated into their family, bringing promising treatments for chronic diseases and obesity-related complications. These acquisitions were not just about expanding their portfolio, but also about embracing new technologies and innovative approaches to healthcare. I will introduce Eli Lilly and company's notable acquisitions. Point Biopharma Global Incorporated, acquired for $1.04 billion, adding radiopharmaceutical capabilities. Dice Therapeutics Incorporated, acquired for $1.92 billion, adding an oral IL-17 inhibitor. Versanis Bio Incorporated, acquired for $604.1 million, adding a monoclonal antibody for obesity. Emergence Therapeutics AG, acquired for $406.5 million, adding a Nectin for antibody drug conjugate. Chapter 4: Navigating Challenges. Every journey has its challenges, and Eli Lilly faced several in 2023. The expiration of patents for key products posed a significant risk, as did increasing regulatory and pricing pressures from governments worldwide. Supply chain issues also emerged, particularly in meeting the high demand for their incretin products. Despite these hurdles, Eli Lilly remained resilient, focusing on their mission to deliver life-changing medicines. Patent expirations. The loss of patent protection for key products was a significant challenge. This often leads to increased competition from generic products, which can impact revenue. Eli Lilly had to navigate these waters carefully, ensuring that their pipeline of new products was robust enough to offset any potential losses. I will introduce Eli Lilly and company's regulatory and pricing pressures. Governments around the world are increasingly scrutinizing pharmaceutical pricing. Eli Lilly faced pressures to justify the cost of their medications and to comply with various regulatory requirements. This included navigating complex pricing structures and ensuring that their products remained accessible to patients. I will introduce Eli Lilly and company's supply chain issues. Meeting the high demand for incretin products was another challenge. Supply chain disruptions, whether due to manufacturing issues or external factors, required careful management. Eli Lilly worked diligently to ensure that their products reached patients in need, despite these obstacles. Chapter 5: Commitment to Sustainability and Governance. Eli Lilly's story was not just about financial success and innovation. They were also deeply committed to environmental, social, and governance (ESG) principles. They worked tirelessly to reduce their environmental footprint, promote diversity and inclusion within their workforce, and uphold strong corporate governance practices. These efforts were not just about compliance, but about making a positive impact on society and the planet. I will introduce Eli Lilly and company's environmental sustainability. Eli Lilly focused on reducing greenhouse gas emissions and improving energy efficiency. They implemented various initiatives to minimize their environmental impact, from sustainable manufacturing practices to reducing waste. I will introduce Eli Lilly and company's social responsibility. Promoting diversity, equity, and inclusion was a key priority. Eli Lilly aimed to create a workplace where all employees felt valued and included. They also engaged in community outreach programs, supporting various social causes and contributing to the well-being of the communities they served. I will introduce Eli Lilly and company's governance. Strong corporate governance practices were at the heart of Eli Lilly's operations. They ensured transparency, accountability, and ethical conduct in all their business dealings. This commitment to governance helped build trust with stakeholders and reinforce their reputation as a responsible corporate citizen. Chapter 6: The Road Ahead. As the year drew to a close, Eli Lilly looked to the future with optimism. They plan to continue their investments in research and development, expand their manufacturing capabilities, and explore new markets. Their journey was far from over, and they were determined to keep pushing the boundaries of what was possible in healthcare. I will introduce Eli Lilly and company's future investments. Eli Lilly planned to invest heavily in new research and development projects. They aim to discover and develop new treatments that could address unmet medical needs. This included exploring new therapeutic areas and leveraging cutting-edge technologies. I will introduce Eli Lilly and company's manufacturing expansion. To meet the growing demand for their products, Eli Lilly planned to expand their manufacturing capabilities. This included building new facilities and upgrading existing ones. These investments would ensure that they could produce high-quality medicines at scale. I will introduce Eli Lilly and company's market exploration. Eli Lilly also aimed to explore new markets. They sought to expand their global footprint, bringing their innovative treatments to more patients around the world. This included entering emerging markets and strengthening their presence in existing ones. Epilogue: a legacy of innovation. Eli Lilly and Company had a remarkable year in 2023, marked by financial triumphs, groundbreaking innovations, and a steadfast commitment to their mission. Their story was one of resilience, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. As they moved forward, they carried with them the legacy of their founder, Colonel Eli Lilly, and the promise of a brighter, healthier future for people around the world. And so the story of Eli Lilly and Company continues, with new chapters yet to be written and new milestones yet to be achieved. The end of one year was just the beginning of another exciting journey in the world of pharmaceuticals. With a strong foundation and a clear vision, Eli Lilly was poised to make even greater strides in the years to come, bringing hope and healing to countless lives. Thank you for hearing. SASAL is a strategy consulting firm. In this channel, SASAL introduces information about NYSE companies, the CEO's background, etc. Please subscribe and wait for the next video.